Ninja Culinary Recipes.
Today's menu: char siu麺, ramen with pork belly. It's ready!
Ramen is a noodle dish you can find in Japan and all across the world. With today's recipe, you can add a taste of Japan to your favorite instant ramen. Let's begin! For the broth, we simmer onions, ginger, carrots, green onions, pork bones, and chicken for 4 hours. You can use instant ramen soup or make your own with chicken broth. Tie the pork and fry the outside of the meat. Let simmer in a mixture of soy sauce and sugar for 2 hours. Chop the green onions and carrots. Slice the pork. Bring water to a boil in a pot. Cook the noodles for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Cook the carrots and bean sprout in the same pot. Transfer the soup, noodles, and vegetables to a bowl. Top with pork, a soft-boiled egg, ナルト巻き and green onions. 出来上がり You can try this recipe with different broths. My favorite is soy sauce. See you!
Subscribe and stay tuned for more culinary recipes.